Hey crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover FYDE AI DeFi. This is a point system, but it's not like any other of the point system that you know, and this is very under the radar. At the moment of recording we have only 5k users in this airdrop. So this is a video that I recommend you to check it, and like always I'm going to tell you a little bit about the project, why I like it a lot. Like always, I go step by step with everything that you need to do in order to participate. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, FYDE brings AI-driven DeFi vaults with liquid staking futures to Ethereum and Layers 2. Via the new liquid vault archetype, FYDE helps users consistently lock in gains, earn yield, and stay liquid. Liquid vaults accept a variety of tokens which are automatically distributed across a diverse range of tokens and rising narratives. Gains from winners are locked in and losses from losers are minimized. Users deposit to receive 3 tokens, and this is the vault wrapper token, which is pegged one by one with the performance of tokens in the vault, and through its AI models, FYDE helps protect against events such as rug pulls and high downside volatility events. This enables users to grow crypto holdings faster with less volatility. So we are bringing AI now to these DeFi protocols and these vaults, which I think is actually the next obvious steps on this. Instead of just putting your money in a pool and wait for the token appreciation, you just can put it here and also get it performed with AI models that will help you to increase your earnings. And some important points about FYDE are: first, that they raised 3.2 million publicly, so this is from CryptoRank. As you can see, on December 2023, 3.2 million, but of course they have some other undisclosed amount here from Inception Capital on 2022. So I think probably the fundraising was 4 million, but there are important names here: Arrington XRP Capital and Merit Circle. So Circle is a very important venture capitalist for many crypto projects. But at this point, I am not scared of only having 3.2 or 4 million of funding, because this protocol, like you saw with Ethena, they grow with the liquidity. So if this project gets some traction, they will have a lot of money to do the airdrop. Ethena is one of those exceptional cases. Another thing for this protocol is that they have an open airdrop based on points, and you can see all the information here in the documentation. So this is publicly here in the document of the protocol, so I recommend you to check it, how the points are calculated and everything, but we are going to cover it of course here in the video. Another interesting thing if you want to check is the tokenomics, because they have this 3 wrap token that equals the performance of the vaults, but they will also have this governance token FYDE, and I think this is the token actually that they are going to airdrop. Another important point is that this project is very under the radar. At this point I'm going to show you, but there are around 5k users only participating in the airdrop, so that is a very low number. And like I mentioned, they have this 3 token, which is the vault wrapper token, and this token is in the market. So here you have the link to CoinGecko to show it, and right now that token is a value of $1.33. This was publicly in the market in April 7, so it's also very new here in the market. And finally, the team is public, so you know who is behind this project, which at this point in crypto is really weird. All these kind of projects are anonymous, so in this case you can go to the website and you have a team tab here where you can check all the team members with a LinkedIn account. I also found the LinkedIn account of the project, so you can check the information about the project, and here under the tab people you can see what members are participating on the project. So I really like that this is transparent, it gives me more confidence, and you can see more stuff about the protocol here on the website. One interesting thing, for example, is this case study that they put here. What will happen if you put money on Ethereum for the bull run of 2021 versus if you got this 3 token? What will be your return? So if I put, let's say, $10,000 here, I will get 50,800 on the bullrun of 2021 instead of 56,400 if I will be getting this 3 token. Now going to the step by step of this project and how you can apply to it. The first thing that you can do is you can go to the Fyde application. Here is the link. You need to connect your wallet using, for example, MetaMask, and you connect to Ethereum mainnet. Now what you need to do here on the step 2 is you go to the vault section, and there you can click deposit and select what token do you want to use for the vault. This will give you 3 tokens, that is the vault wrapper token, and you can select also your vault in the portfolio section scrolling down to the vault. So let's go and check it that. So here you can see in deposit you can select any token that you have here on the list, and it's very interesting that you can also see that you have INA tokens, Beam, so there's a very interesting list of tokens that you can use here. Once you select your token, let's say that I will use USDT, and let's say that I want to put 100 tokens here of USDT, that will be equal to 376 tokens. So you need to approve and then click deposit, complete the transaction with your wallet. You can see here that you have an imbalance penalty. This is depending what token you are using for deposit, which basically is what vault you want to participate. Here you can click on how it works in order to know that. But for USDT at this point, we have a 0% of that, so we are estimating to use all our money, all our USDT in these 3 tokens. The other way to check the vaults, if you go to portfolio and you go down here, you can see that you have the overweight and the other underweight vaults. So the suggestion is that you use underweight vaults, because in overweight you will have some penalty and you will receive less tokens. But USDT, for example, it was not in the case. So if you want to go from here, you have more pages of tokens that you can select, and then you just click here to deposit and you will be redirected to the same place. Now after you do that, we go to step 3. Which is once you have your 3 tokens, you go to the leaderboard section and click on stake. When you do that, you are going to have a pop-up to put a referral. This time, if you use a referral, you will get a 2% more of points. So this time it's actually recommended to use a referral. You can skip the referral part if you want, but we have here RCCS referral if you want to support the channel. And don't think that because there are referrals in this system, you just can make your way doing an influencer. So I'm really happy to tell you that there is a very low max of referrals here. Let me show you that. So going to leaderboard, and this is why I didn't do all the actions here. You can just click here on stake and you can see that you can put a referral here. Once you put a referral and submit, you can stake your tokens, your 3 tokens, and you can see that you can only have 25 referrals here, which I think is really cool. So you cannot have actually big influencers getting all the points just because they have the referral. So I think this is very fair to everyone. And once you are staked, you are going to be earning the different points of this airdrop, besides the appreciation of the token, and also you have the governance. You will be earning the tokens for governance, where after you deposit and did all the steps, you will be able to select a space here. For example, let's say that I want to select Beam, and you can put your delegation address and you can delegate to this space if you want. That will help all the AI on this. So very interesting protocol. I really like the new approach with AI, and under the correct circumstances, I think this token could be appreciated a lot. Now, the point 4 is that on the leaderboard, you can create your own referral and share it in my private Discord. I will be putting referrals of people in the video, so you guys can get help on that too. So if you want me to put your link, you need to be in my Discord, and I also recommend you to check my application. So there you have the link to my subscriptions. We have a private Discord with high level of information if you are trying to make airdrops, even if you are new to the space, or even if you have been for a couple of years doing airdrops. You will find many channels specifically for you, and we also have experience farming airdrops, so everything is in our Discord. And right now the airdrop hunting path is really difficult, so you need to be in a community. I open the doors of my community, but if not, go and follow and join a community of your biggest influencers in airdrop. But in my case, I also can give you this application. This is an app that I created, and here you have 2 videos on the link, and also with the update that you will get notifications in your email on things that you need to do on your airdrops. But here you will see step by step how my app works and why it's going to save you 40% of the time that you are wasting right now doing it. So for those that are in my private Discord, put your referrals in the channel that you know, so we can help each other, and I will be updating the referral on the video, so you will also referrals there. So to create your referral, remember you go here and share it on Twitter, and that will generate your referral. Hey crypto fans, as airdrop hunters and crypto enthusiasts, we are constantly in risk of being scammed from protocols and people that want to drain our wallets and enter into our computers. That is why we partner with proxy sellers for our proxy services, and the great about their services is that you can select many crypto-friendly countries, and you can even mix a package of different countries for your proxy services. You can select many of the different proxy options, including your residential proxies. And it's super easy to get it. You just select the country, then you can put the amount of proxies that you want. Let's say that I am farming with 10 wallets. Just click on buy, and here on redeem code you can put a referral CCS15, and you can see how the price downs a 15% for all these proxy services and 10% for residential services. So don't wait anymore, be safe as an airdrop hunter and crypto enthusiast, so you are always in control when you are online. Use our CCS15 refer code, and first link in the description is your link to get your proxies with us and proxy seller. Now, another interesting thing of this protocol, besides everything that we just covered, is that the 0.5, you can also use the restaking section of the website to participate in more than 9 airdrops at once. So you can deposit Ethereum and get airdrop points in all the restaking protocols. So going into the restaking section, so from the website you can see that you have this restaking tab. Going there, you can see that you can connect your wallet, connect your MetaMask for example, accept the conditions, and here you can see if you put some Ethereum here, you can stake your Ethereum, get a 22% APY, and you will get restaking points for Asian Layer, Renzo, Kelp, Circuit, Swell, Ether.fi, Ion, and Paperfy. So you can see doing this action one time here, you are covered in almost all the different restaking protocols. So this is also something that I really like from Fyde, and in one of my wallets I am actually starting to use it to test it and see if I really get all the points for the different ecosystems. These are airdrops that we covered already from a while. Some of them already did the first round of the airdrop, but they are having more rounds. So maybe it's not a bad idea to use Fyde to just put in Ethereum here, getting points on all the different protocols. So I think this is a plus also for the protocol, and a very good way that they could earn also some liquidity. And finally, step 6 is stay tuned on the socials for more airdrop updates. There you have the link for the website, and from there you can find the different social media links, because there are going to be more news about this protocol. And in the Discord you also can see in the links that you have the Twitter accounts of the co-founders. So I think this is very interesting because they are publicly here. So it's really no chance that this is a scam project for no reason. So there is no chance that this is a scam project. And actually the AI on the protocol I really like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a very under the radar airdrop, and let me tell you why. If you go to the leaderboard and you scroll down, you can see here the wallet, and you can see that there are 10 wallets per page, and you can see that there are right now 51 pages. So this is basically 510 users. In the thumbnail I put 5k, but it's actually 510 people. So this is completely under the radar, but this is not something that I am making up. This is facts. You have 51 pages of wallets here on the leaderboard, and there are 10 per page. So this is basically 510 wallets that actually have points here. So that is all guys, completely under the radar. I appreciate that you saw the video, so you know that it's actually 510 and not 5k. So now that you know this, I think it's no-brainer that you need to do this airdrop. And before I leave, I just want to mention one thing. Besides that, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and that you can join my Discord and my app. It that all these projects that I cover that are small projects or under the radar, it's all because I did my research on these projects. I am not paid by any of these projects that I cover. I just want you guys to know that, because sometimes those projects that we cover fail, not even that are a scam, but just fail, or don't continue doing an airdrop, or just die into the testnet. But that is because we are of course risking a lot entering into very under the radar projects. That is why you also need to do your own research besides seeing my video, but I am not give you pay content right here. The only things that I am promoting are the things that I did. For example, my Discord and my application. But the research that I do is always free of pressures. I am not going to cover something that is a scam and just pay me to do it. So just remember that, because sometimes in the comments people think that this small project that I cover, I do it because I was paid. I just want to say that is not the case. Well guys, that will be all for this airdrop. FYDE AI DeFi. It's a point system, but like you know now, it's only 510 wallets that actually have points. So this is very under the radar. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.